In this question, you have to point out who disapproved the embryological support for evolution. Option A, Charles Darwin. This is incorrect. Charles Darwin supported the idea of embryological evidence as a part of his theory of evolution because he saw similarities in early embryonic stages across different species as evidence of common ancestry. Option B, Oparin. This is also incorrect because Oparin is known for his work on the origin of life and not for disapproving the embryological support for evolution. Option C, Carl Ernst von Baer. Now, Carl Ernst von Baer disapproved or challenged the use of embryological evidence for evolution because he observed that embryos of different species do not pass through the adult stages of other animals as proposed by Haeckel's biogenetic law. Instead, he argued that each species follows a unique developmental path, becoming more distinct as development progresses. And this led him to disapprove the direct application of embryological similarities as strong evidence for evolutionary relationships. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, Alfred Wallace. This is also incorrect. Alfred Wallace was a co founder of the theory of natural selection along with Charles Darwin, and he did not disapprove the embryological support for evolution.